Hello everyone, my name is Manny and today I'll be showing you how to cook quinoa. On Grubanny quick ones, I don't do too much talking, I go straight to the point, so grab your quinoa and follow along. Our first step is to add 2 cups of quinoa to a bowl. Today, I'll be using white quinoa. We're going to add some cold water to our quinoa, and there's no need to measure it because all we're doing is washing it. You want to wash your quinoa by rubbing it between your palms several times and until the water becomes very cloudy. Washing your quinoa will not only get rid of dust and debris, but it will also get rid of the slight bitterness you get from unwashed cooked quinoa. Next, we're going to pass it through a meshed strainer and rinse thoroughly. You need to be careful when rinsing it because everything could end up down the drain in an instant. Once it's completely rinsed and drained, you're good to go. If you feel the need to add more quinoa, just follow the previous steps until you get to this point. We need to move quickly, so the next step is to add your quinoa to a large pot. Next, we're going to add exactly 1.5 cups of cold water to our quinoa. After adding our water, we're going to add a pinch of salt and bring it to a boil for exactly 3 minutes. Make sure your pot is covered. After 3 minutes of boiling, reduce your heat down to a simmer and cook for 12 more minutes. After 12 minutes of simmering, turn off the heat and give it a fluff with a fork. Check this out. Now we're ready to serve. And as you can see, it's not clumpy. If there's one thing I would never eat, it's clumpy and overcooked quinoa. So that's it. And as you can see, it's easy and straightforward. So don't be intimidated by quinoa. If you learned something today, hit that like button and leave a comment in the comment section below. This is part 1 of my quinoa series, so stay tuned for more awesome content. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week.